Happy December 9th. Let's see. Ooh, that one looks pretty. I think we've had this one before. It's candy cane. It's really, really good. I like that one. The Rohan Chocolate House. Let's see, another window. Which side is the window open? I don't know. I think this side. Oh, it's more gold coins. I do like coins. Those are very cool. Look at that. Very cool. The Stolen Cakes, and I will have to say, I love all my advent calendars, but this one I really like a lot. Even though there's a lot of repeats, every single cake has been absolutely delicious. We had this one yesterday, but it's delicious. So I'll forgive them for having tons of duplicates because I don't know how long ago this was made, but it tastes like it was made yesterday. Who wants to help me with the pet calendar? Jack, do you want to help me with the pet calendar? Do you want to help me? We're doing number 9 right here. This one right here. Nope, not 8. We already did that. Number 9. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's the fishies again. All right. I gotta cut them open. That's the one bad thing about this. This is not easy. All right, here we go. Oh, here comes another kitty. One for you right there. And then who's this? This is Danny. Danny, right here, right there. There's yours. Sally. Sally, you want to come off and come over here? Come on, Sally. Come up here. You better hurry up. Your brothers are eating them all. There you go. There you go. Oh, look. They're getting into. Okay, you figured it out. Here you go, Sally. You get another one. Oh, yeah. You're such a good girl. Oh, look at that. Don't eat the plastic. Let me grab that plastic for you. That was smart. You tore that plastic right out. Ow. Someone just bit me. I know it was an accident, but no biting. There you go. Look at that. Little beast. Little beast. That's it. That's all. No. Now you're going to tear the box apart. This is why I have to put it away at night. Oh, no tearing the box apart. Last calendar for the day. Not edible, Danny, so you can get back down. Totally not edible, okay? Okay, let's not destroy Mom's favorite pop-up book. And today we have Beryl. So now we've seen all 3 trick-or-treat kids. Merry Christmas.